Story time of how my mother would abuse me through keeping the house clean. Keeping the house clean. So we had a house that was all marble floors for the most part. I mean, the kitchen had some blue tile, which was this weird kind of tile that streaked. Like if you looked at it, it streaked. There was no way to really wash that floor and have it look like the brand new tile as it did. I don't know what they did when they laid the tile. I'm sure it looked good that day, but it never looked that way after that. And fortunately, we didn't really use the kitchen very much because my mother didn't cook. So we had a house all throughout, marble floors, bedrooms were carpeted, the blue tile in the kitchen, and my mother on the housekeeper's days off, which would just be Sunday because the housekeeper was usually there 6 days a week, she lived with us, would have me do the floors. Now mind you, the floors were not done every day even when the housekeeper lived with us. They just weren't. It was like, you know, every 2-3 days kind of thing. We weren't allowed to wear shoes in the house. We didn't track dirt in, all of that sort of thing. But on Sunday, if I was alone with my mother, she would have me do the floors. And then she would go and spot check. And this went on particularly when I was 11 years old, because I was 11 years old when we lived in that house. I might have also been 10 years old. So my Sunday would be spent like Cinderella style, cleaning these floors, and they were never good enough. And then my Sunday would be spent with her screaming, raging, yelling at me. She was using this as a way to punish me, to take out her aggression on me. And then with the vacuuming, the lines had to be perfect. And if they weren't, do it again, do it again, do it again. Are you stupid, Marnie? Again, I am 10 and 11 years old. The bathroom sink and the water drops. Every time you use the sink, and this was everybody in the household, not just me, this was the thing she did to everybody, including my stepfather, a grown man, you had to wipe that sink to the point of being spotless and shine that chrome up. And she would go in after you used the bathroom to actually check to see if it was done. And then there were the closet raids, which I will just link this video over so that I don't have to do a whole nother video about the closet raids. Who else's narcissistic parent used cleaning as a way to abuse and control you?